Hey everyone, welcome back to PooLin's channel. This is Tina. Today I'm gonna show you how to install the bobbin case on the EOV. A few quick steps. Let your machine run smooth. Let's take a closer look at the bobbin area on the machine. First, open the cover and remove the old bobbin. Now, grab a new bobbin and follow along with my steps. Then, place it into the bobbin case. Make sure the thread on the bobbin rings clockwise. Next, pull the thread through the slot and guide it under the tension spring. Wrap the thread clockwise around the tension spring about 1.5 times, leaving a bit of extra thread. Alright, now for the final step. Align the bobbin case with a notch on the right side and push it until you hear a click. That sound means it's securely installed. Here's the important part. Make sure to tuck the thread tail under the picker. Then close the cover and you are all set. Alright, that is for install the bobbin case. The right way avoids thread breaks and keep your embroidery clean and smooth. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!